Hello everyone, welcome to IICCM Studio Kitchen. My name is Astha Sharma and today I'll be preparing Canary Island Cilantro Soup, which is influenced by Spanish, African and Latin American traditions. To make the soup, we need garlic, salt, capsicum, onions, tomatoes, black pepper, diced potatoes, cilantro, paprika powder, olive oil, broth powder, boiled rice, and a bundle of cilantro and capsicum tied together, and water. So let's start making the soup. First, we'll add water in the saucepan. And then we'll add the chicken broth powder. Along with that, we'll add the bundle of capsicum and cilantro that we have prepared, and we'll let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. We'll start with the base of the soup, for which we'll need olive oil. We'll heat the olive oil and saute onion and garlic. We have added the onions once the olive oil has been heated, and then along with the onions we'll also add the garlic, and we'll cook it till the onions are translucent. Now we'll add in the tomatoes and cook them till they are soft. Along with this, we'll also add in a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. As you can see, the tomatoes have been softened. Now we'll strain. And we'll simply pour it into this. We'll let this simmer, and along with it we'll also add in the chopped cilantro, a lot of it, and the diced capsicum. As the soup is simmering, we have also put the water to boil so that we can boil the diced potatoes. Once the water is boiled, we'll add in the potatoes. Now, as you can see, the water started to boil. We'll add in the potatoes and cook them till they are soft. When the potatoes are soft, we'll turn the gas off and strain them. Now our Canary Island Cilantro Soup is ready, and we'll start with the plating. Pour the soup into the coral. You have this soup either as it is or with the rice. And for the plating, we have taken the rice in the bowl We'll simply pour it on the sides. Now we'll garnish the soup with boiled potatoes. And coriander.
Soup's ready.
Now our soup is ready and it's time to taste it. It tastes really earthy and soulful, and it's perfect for a cozy winter night. Thank you for watching this video, and if you want to pursue your career in culinary arts, join IICCM Pune. Thank you.